Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just want to give you a few tips on how to replace this window door seal. The problem with mine was that in one of the corners it was really bunched up. Sorry about that. So it was really bunched up and it was messing up my window tint. As you can see right there, it did not appear to be leaking, but I have a donor Jeep, so I wanted to go ahead and do it while I still have it. What you'll need to do is you're gonna have to take off the door panel. You're gonna have to pop out the window because that piece sits in the channel for the window, and it helps keep the window in place and from rattling. So it's basically like an insulator for the window also. So there's that. As you can see, it's pretty long. So yeah, like I said, you do that, pop off the window. I mean, the door panel's like 2 bolts or 3 bolts. It's 2 Phillips and then 1 T20. And you pop that out, and then the window is only 2 clips, and they go right there, and then the clips go on that end once the window is in place. Yeah, I just made this video because I didn't see any others like it, but that's where the window seal goes. Up in here there's some foam, so just be careful of that, make sure that stays, and I think you'll be good. So it's pretty easy. You know, you do have to take off the window. Oh, and you also have to take this piece off here, which is the inner window channel, whatever the heck you want to call it. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching and have a good one.